welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mala. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So as you guys can see by the title, I did something really exciting this week, you guys. I did my own knotless braids. I was really excited. I did it for the first time, you guys, and it turned out really cute. And if I can do it, you definitely can as well. I have faith in you guys. Stay tuned. So as you guys can see by the title, yes, I know I did my own braids, my own knotless braids. As you guys can see, they're not really neat because I use eco styling gel to smooth my hair down. Next time when I try this hairstyle, I will definitely use a waxing type of gel so that my hair can be more neat and cute. So I'm definitely gonna show you guys my technique, but before I do, let me show you guys how long this hair is. It's literally so long, you guys, and I love them so much. I don't know if it's because like I did them myself, but I love it. But anyways, let's get into the video. So the hair that I use, you guys, is this triple pack extension braiding hair. It comes in 3 different braiding hair like this. And what I did is I split, so since you see it's really long, it doesn't say how long it is. And this, 84 inches. That is way too long. But anyways, I literally cut this in half so that the hair could be more manageable. I didn't want it to be super long. Well, it is super long, but I didn't want the braiding hair when I'm braiding it to be super long and then I get annoyed and stuff. But yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna do this side, you guys. And then when I get to the last section, I'm gonna show you guys how. So enjoy the music and I'll be back. So yes, guys, I did my own braids. This morning I DM'd someone to do my braids, and sis had the nerve, the audacity to ask me for $200 something. And I said, girl, I'll get back to you. Don't get me wrong, I know that it's gonna take her longer. She's gonna do them way better than how I did them myself, but I know it's gonna take her longer. It's gonna, like, she would do them better than myself. I get that, but I still didn't want to spend that much money because I just splurged on something. So I literally woke up, you guys. I went to the mirror and I said, you can do your own braids. And then I was like, what? And then I looked at myself again and I said, you can do your own braids. And I was like, guys, this is so much work. I can definitely understand why she asks for that much money, but if you can do it yourself, save that money, invest it in a business, buy some stock, you know. But anyways, I really love how they turned out, you guys. I think I did a really good job for my first time, and I'll definitely try this hairstyle again. And I can't wait to show you guys the end result because this intro gonna be tap in. All I'm gonna say before I start is the power of the mind, you guys. I literally told myself, you can do your own braids, and look at me. Look at me. I'm a pro now. I am a pro. Tap in. So guys, we're almost done. We have 2 more left, and then I had to dump these in hot water. I'm gonna show you guys how I did my braid, and I separate the hair into like really small sections. This size, you guys, really tiny, because when you're doing your braids, you don't want it to be bulky like I mentioned. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. And I'm gonna take some eco styling gel, not a lot because this doesn't really do much for me here. And if you have oil, you can also add a little bit of oil to your end. So what I do is I start braiding my own hair. I'm gonna try my best to explain this. I'm terrible at explaining. Braiding my hair, the way I add the hair, I hold it with then I just braid it to my hair. I don't really know how to explain it. I'm gonna try again. So as you can see, my hair is split into 3. Okay, so my hair is split into 3, and now you see 1. So I'm gonna take a small tiny piece, I push it in the back, and then I grab it with my real hair that was left out, and then I start braiding it all the way down. So this is how the ends looks like, but when I boil it with water, it will be okay. So we're at the last one. Whew, I'm happy. My gel, once again, I wish I had a wax type of gel because this is not working for me. Like I said, we're gonna start by braiding our own hair. So we're gonna start by braiding our own hair, separate into 3, just like you normally braid your hair. And okay, we can start by adding the pieces. Like you see how my hair is separate into 3 in my finger, so I'm just gonna hold it and attach it to the piece that was out and then braid it like I was braiding my own hair. And then now there's another natural hair piece. We don't want it to be out, so we're gonna add another piece. Add it to the part that's out. Hold it tight. My mirror fell, so I can't see right now. Braid it. And I feel like knotless braid is the most easiest type of braiding because I can't do the regular braid that has been around for like ages. I'm just gonna keep braiding it. As you can see, my hair is still peeking through. My natural hair is still here. I'm gonna braid it all the way down, and so I don't see my natural hair. I still see it, you guys. My hair is growing. I'm so happy. So now we're gonna add big pieces. Those pieces don't have to be tiny. As you can see, this one is thick. The reason why I braid my hair down all the way to where my hair ends is because when I add the fourth piece, I don't want my natural hair to peek through it. I'm so happy, you guys. My hair turned out really cute, and sometimes you just gotta try something for yourself. You don't have to go and do the easy thing, which is spend money all the time. As we're getting older, we gotta save them coins. And like I said earlier, I already splurged on a big purchase. I didn't want to spend another $200, $300 on hair, because when people do my hair, I like to tip them. I'm not like the type to be like, oh, it's $200 and then I show up with $200. No, I'm almost done, you guys. And now since we're getting to the end and I want it to be longer, I'm gonna add hair as a gown. She's also thick, but it's fine. You basically add the hair like you were braiding your own hair. If you know how to braid, it should be easy for you to understand when I was explaining, even though I'm terrible at explaining. I'm so sorry, you guys. Oh my goodness. Tap, tap, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. We're gonna put a lot of mousse in this here. Ooh. I feel like the fact that I did them myself, I feel like I'm a different woman. I feel like I can do anything now because I just did my own braids. I know I'm a little crazy. I should probably take it down, but we'll see. But yeah, let me know if you guys have done your own braids, and if you have, power to you, girl. Like, we're strong, we can do anything. And like I said, this year and in the future also, just save your money, try it out. If you can't do your own braids, get a professional, but always try something before. And also too, tell yourself you can do it, and trust and believe you will be able to, as long as you have faith in yourself. Yeah, I have faith in you guys, and let me know if you guys have done it before. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video to someone that wants to get braids and don't have that $200 or $300 to spend. Send it to them, and yeah, help them save money as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.